Hello everyone, welcome back to the next vlog of Manoj Traveller. Today I am in Jena and we are about to travel Dornburger Schloss, which is a unique combination of palace and green garden culture of Saale Valley. The Schloss was built in the 15th century. So let's move to our destination, and you can see here my friend Shravan, Bola sir and Swarnim sir, they are really excited to explore the Schloss. Are you guys?
Yes, let's go.
So guys, finally we have arrived here at Dornburger station. We are about to reach Dornburger Schlösser Stufenweg, and from here we'll climb the ladder. So यहाँबाट चाहिँ अब जङ्गलको बाटो अलमोस्ट 20 मिनट जति हिँड्नुपर्छ त्यो स्लोसमा पुग्नलाई। ठ्याक्क नेपालमा हिँडेको बाटो जस्तो फिल आइरहेछ मलाई चाहिँ। साथीहरु चाहिँ माथि गइसके। यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ हामी कति एल्टिट्युडमा आइसक्यौँ भनेर। हाम्रो उता श्रवण महिनामा श्रवण सरलाई भोलेनाथको याद आउँदैछ।
भोले भोले
ल यात्रा यहीँ कन्टिन्यू गरौँ म चाहिँ।
लेट्स गो।
जो साथै सरलाई पनि आउँछ। सो गाइस, जङ्गलकै बाटो हामी हिँड्दा हिँड्दा यो पाथ फलो गर्दा गर्दा यहाँसम्म आइपुग्यौँ। र यहाँ आएर चाहिँ बाटो बन्द। यहाँबाट चाहिँ अब स्लोस चाहिँ यही हो अगाडिको, तर फर्केर जानु पर्यो। ल यो फोटो हाल्यो। अरू के छ?
So we are finally near to our destination, guys.
फाइनली हैन, हामी चाहिँ आफ्नो डेस्टिनेसनमा यो स्लोसमा पुग्न लागिसकेका छौँ। यहाँ तल हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, एकदमै सानो तर राम्रो गाउँ। So in this beautiful castle you can see the gardening culture of the Saale Valley picturized in different wall of the castle. Due to the corona pandemic, only 2 people can enter once, and you don't need to pay any charge here. It's free of cost. So let's begin our picturized valley journey. So you can see here the beautiful images of gardening culture of this Dornburger Schloss as well as the Saale Valley. This is the small village near the Dornburger Schloss, and at the front is the clock tower. Let me zoom in and show you. Hello. And here you can see the exact map of this Dornburger Schloss, including the all gardens and 3 museums. So guys, finally हामी यहाँ तेस्रो म्युजियम यहाँ हेर्दैछौँ। अहिले पनि यहाँनिर म्युजियममा बिना मास्क जान पाइँदैन, हामी सबले मास्क लिएर आएको छौँ। म्युजियम छिर्नुभन्दा पहिला पनि तपाईँहरूलाई यो यहाँको नेचुरल जुन गार्डन छ, गार्डनको ब्युटी हेर्नु। So hope guys you have liked this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. If you have any advice, please leave in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.